In the world of software, great documentation is a superpower, but maintaining it is often a silent struggle. Enter Mintlify. This platform is making bold claims about reinventing how knowledge is created and consumed in the age of AI. Is it a game changer or just clever marketing? We've spent time thoroughly examining its website to bring you this detailed demo and review, breaking down the good, the bad, and the intelligent. Mintlify presents itself as more than a documentation tool. It's the intelligent knowledge platform built for the intelligence age. The core idea is to weave AI into every part of the documentation lifecycle, from how content is written and maintained to how it's understood by both human users and large language models, or LLMs. Mintlify offers three primary pricing tiers: Hobby, Pro, and Enterprise. The Hobby plan is free and designed for individuals, providing access to the full platform. The Pro plan, marked as popular, costs $300 per month when billed monthly and is tailored for startups. It includes everything in Hobby plus features like a custom domain, team member invites, custom authentication, a web editor, an AI assistant, and more. For scaling in global teams, the Enterprise plan requires contacting sales and offers all Pro features along with advanced capabilities such as user permissions, custom components, SSO login, and dedicated support SLAs. See you later, my dear.